Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I'm at Hollister, and these are the accessories they have. They have these sweater, like scrunchies that are sweater material. They have these scarves and cute hats with little fluff balls at the top. And they have these long sleeve tees. This one had a snake on it, and it was super cute. It's red with a little white snake on it. It looks kind of like a rock star. Like if you were a rock star, you'd wear that shirt. And then the gray one has Hollister written on it with some flowers on it. So this is more traditional, like if you want to go to Hollister and buy a shirt that actually says Hollister. And then they have these Hollister sweatshirts, like crew neck sweatshirts. And then they have more sweatshirts over here. And this is the men's section, but women can shop in the men's section and get an oversized hoodie. Because look how cute this one is. It's like the black one that has like a little paint splash on it. And then there's a teal blue and like a evergreen. Super cute. And then over here they have some plaid, like pajama bottoms, and red Hollister tee to match your pajamas, so you could wear it as loungewear. And then I love these two because they're like the same kind of paint splotch. So this is white and it has blue, yellow, peach paint splashes. And like I said, you know, it is in the men's section, but women can wear that too. And then if men want to wear a woman's sweatshirt, I'm sure they can do that. But the oversized hoodie is pretty popular right now. So I suggest going to Hollister and getting you an oversized hoodie. They have all of these hoodies. These are like your basic hoodies that say Hollister on the front, and they have red, white, blue. And they have some long sleeve t-shirts and some sweatpants to match. So I hope you liked seeing what was new at Hollister. I'm sure to go back. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.